I've got my unboxing of the newly released Hohem MIC-01. Now, this is a wireless lavalier microphone setup that gives you a lot of versatility and a lot of options. You get 2 transmitters, which are the 2 microphones, and you get 1 receiver. Plus, you get this really funky charging case here. Now, the box itself looks great, got a bunch of different details on here. So plug and play, DSP noise cancellation, we've got shutter controller, dual channel recording, storage and charging case, recording storage and external mic. So it's telling us we've got a lot of exciting things in here, and yeah, looking quite promising so far. Let's get into it and see what it comes with, hey? This is always the best experience, isn't it? Getting into it. And here is the box. From what I can see, it's one of these where you kind of drop it down. That's the top of it. We've got Hohem, make the moment. Love that slogan. So that's their little information pack. Kind of gives you a bit of a breakdown on what to expect, how to use the product and all that good stuff. That's always very nice to have. And then here is the main piece here. So let's have a look at this. Love it. Oh, that's cool. Love that little like rubbery strap on the side there that you can attach. Pull that off. And it is definitely a standout kind of design. It looks very unique, doesn't it? And from my understanding, it will just flip up like so. Little magnetic closing point. You can see the little charging indicators there. I love that little strap so that you can kind of attach it to a bag or whatever it may be. USB-C charging on the base there, which we have come to expect now. Let's just make sure before I clear the table what else is in here. So it looks like that's it. That's the final piece of the box. Just in here, we've got one more thing. And this is a cable and a few other things by the looks of it. Okay, so we've got a cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C. Very nice. And then we've got the wind screens or the wind shields here. And so we get 2 of those, which is great. Seems like they just kind of push over the top. We will see very soon when I set this all up, but that's the kit. That's what you get in the kit. So let's have a look at these mics, see how they were built and how it all looks and feels. I do like the design. It's very unique, isn't it? It's a different kind of design to what we've seen before. It also looks like that's a little sticker. Oh yeah, so you actually do have a micro SD slot on the base for that internal storage. You've got a USB-C on the base, so you can charge each individual microphone if you would like. We've then got the record button on the side, which is the shutter button as well. We've got some kind of menu options by the looks of it. Maybe that's for the different settings. On the other side, there's nothing. And then we've got, by the looks of it, the microphone is here, right? So that's the light there to indicate what's going on. I guess if I power it on, it will show us. So there's that blue light. We've got the Hohem, got the microphone there by the looks of it, which is an interesting placement. It does have the microphone icon here, and I guess that's where you would plug in a different microphone. But from what I can see, this just slots on over the top, which is quite nice. And then it still leaves that open port to plug in a lavalier microphone. That's the windshield there, which is a very interesting placement on the front. Love the aesthetic of this. We've also got the magnetic clip on the base, which I have come to love. That kind of design is super simple, but it also operates as a clip. So you can clip it on if you want. You can clip it onto your belt, and then you could have a lavalier microphone here plugged in and connected up at the top, or you could just have that under your shirt, magnetically clip it on like so, and yeah, you're ready to go. So that's a cool little setup. I really, really like that. You can see that you get the 2 microphones here, so 2 transmitters and the 1 receiver. I'll show you the receiver very soon. But they're the 2 transmitters there. They are identical. They've got the exact same button placement, the exact same feel, weight, everything. Even got the same little blue sticky piece on the base. So again, you've got the external, or sorry, the added internal storage if you would like. So you can, let me just get the focus in on that. You can put in the micro SD there. You can charge it via USB-C. The exact same on both of them. That's what they look like. do love the design. It's very unique, isn't it? I love that orange and white, definitely pops here. Those just kind of slot into place. It's a magnetic connection point. And then when you clip that down, that's how it's going to charge the internals as well. So if you're using these for an extended period of time, you put them back in the case and charge it up. This here though is the receiver, and it's very, very lightweight. So this is going to plug into your iPhone. You can see that it's got the lightning connection there. Very, very cool. We've got the charge over here. So this is the USB-C by the looks of it. You can also charge this up if you wanted to. Yep, so that's the USB-C. We've got Hohem on the back. We've got the headphone jack here. So you can then plug that in. Very, very nice. I believe on the box it did say, yeah, it does say made for iPhone there. Made for iPhone, you've literally got the lightning connection. You've got a really awesome, well-designed microphone system. So this is a perfect setup for a lot of people. I do love this. It looks great. Nice build quality, unique design for the receiver actually. That's kind of different. I haven't seen something like that before. And like I said, 2 microphones. So if you want to interview someone, if you want to have 2 different audio feeds for whatever reason, you've got the option for that as well. Really cool design, and can't wait to test this out more. Love the magnetic feel of that. That just clips into place nicely. The case feels nice and premium. And then obviously you've got these little windshields as well. So a great offering here from Hohem.